Hey everyone, Dr. Taylor Levine here at SchlickArt Studios, where today I'm going to be going over an exercise that could be helping you whether you're at home or on the go. So come follow along. So if you're dealing with frozen shoulder, here's another great exercise that you can do to help restore and regain mobility back into that injured area. So for this purpose, for this exercise, I'm going to have an injury to my left shoulder and I'm having a hard time regaining my mobility to it. And so for this, it's called the wall crawl. And what we're going to do is we're just going to come up to a wall and just have that injured arm up against it. And we're just going to try and use our fingers to just easily climb that shoulder up the wall. Now, as we're working through it, we're going to start noticing that it's going to get a little harder because of our injury. And so, for instance, right now, say I can only get this high because it's starting to hurt me. I'm going to kind of just back it down just a little bit, and I'm just going to hold into that resistance of that shoulder for a few seconds to then allow our muscles to accommodate. And then I'm just going to try and crawl just a little bit higher, and I'm just going to hold that again into that stretch of that shoulder to try and regain that motion that we've lost in that shoulder. At this point then, I'm going to just start crawling down to relieve the tension off the shoulder. Now with this exercise, you can do this about 3 sets of 10, working that arm going up and down the wall to again regain that mobility back into that injured shoulder. Again, I'm Dr. Taylor Levine from Unruh Spine Center. If you have any questions or concerns about any of the techniques that I showed you here today with regards to the stretches and/or exercises, please feel free to come into my office and we can chat about it. Talk again soon.